Kangbucho, say Koina Manaka Lady installation, say State Museum, BT Park, Mafam Sinaching Basing Sida, eventualities, Tokotaragadi, casualties, Labataragadi, Maduki, Putopus in Toki, Matik, Matopio. Now let's assume Ki Sida, Johnson Higher Secondary School, say Koi Maichai and Loxico, Maduki Matung in a Koi drill sister Thursday. SDRF, NDRF Commander Cafe. See the waiting follower. As a part of Operation Abhyas, a state level mock drill has been conducted out here at Imphal for the state of Manipur, with participation from various stakeholders, mainly led by our State Home Department, Relief and Disaster Management Department, other stakeholders like Police, Health Department, Fire Service, NDRF, SDRF, educational institutions, volunteers from NCC, NSS, and all other stakeholders took a strong participation in today's mock drill. This started at 4 p.m. and concluded at 4:30. The staging area that we had planned out is in the general area of State Fire Service Directorate, State Museum, BT Park area, Polo Ground, and the Johnstone Higher Secondary School. At 4 p.m., the 2-minute long siren was given out, indicating that air raid has started. Right after that, at Johnstone Higher Secondary School site, we had two important events that occurred. One is the collapsing of the school building structure. To that, NDRF and SDRF team responded swiftly, took out operations and search and rescue evacuation measures. After that, a fire incident again was reported on the northern flank of Johnstone Higher Secondary School. Again to that, the fire service officials and teams deployed out there took out necessary measures to douse the fire, and again search and rescue operations and measures were taken up. Those that has been suffered with casualties were evacuated from the area and taken to the BT Park area, wherein the health department has planned for set up a temporary hospital. There was taken up, bunkers were set up in the other areas of BT Park. Those evacuated from the affected areas were safely taken to these bunkers. Some of the important vital installations need to be camouflaged during air raid. To set an example, the State Museum was picked up. We had done a proper camouflaging of State Museum that was again highlighted as a part of this mock drill. To conclude the mock drill, the coordinated teams led by Fire Service Directorate took a round of all the affected areas just to check up and see any attempts or any activities that needs to be done or responses that needs to be catered to are left out or not. Having concluded with the air raid, all the stakeholders who participated in the exercise took out different measures and assessed the scenario and come to a conclusion that the air raid is concluded. Accordingly, a 30-second siren for 3 times were again blown from the Fire Service Directorate site. That marks the conclusion of the today's mock drill. The general message that this kind of civil defense mock drill gave out to the general public is that not just during hostile attacks or eventualities, even during normal day-to-day normal period, we should know how to react, we should know how to respond. The coordination mechanism among various stakeholders needs to be reminded to us, to all stakeholders, to each and every one in a society, so that we can protect ourselves, our society can be contained during such kind of air raid or other similar crises and eventualities that might come to us. That's the basic premise, and for the state level out here at Imphal, with various stakeholders' participation, we have successfully concluded our today's mock drill as a part of Operation Up.